A healthy nation is a productive nation. Therefore, it is imperative for us to move towards wellness, especially in today's time. But there is a massive gap between the demand and supply of superior quality diagnostics services in our country, especially in the hinterland. We exist to bridge that gap. We are Redcliffe Labs.
The COVID-19 pandemic has taught us many lessons. Diagnosis is essential for controlling a disease. Therapeutic interventions will always cost more than preventive interventions. In Redcliffe, we have multiple labs, all having same quality control, and everything is digitally connected so that there will be short turnaround time.
The Redcliffe teams work on creating a highly enabling 4-layered ecosystem comprising of state-of-the-art National Reference Lab, satellite labs, collection centers, and a robust home sample collection program.
So pandemic came as a real shocker for the whole world, and India being the most populated country of the world, it was at an even bigger risk. Mortality was primarily because of the comorbidities what people had, like diabetes, thyroid, or heart conditions. And that's when people realized how important it is to get themselves tested at a regular interval of time. Like till now, diagnostics was there in the country. There were many leading players, but they were focusing more towards the illness part. And wellness was a subject which nobody was talking about. And Redcliffe took the lead over there. So Redcliffe is not only a healthcare platform, it's an ecosystem which is bringing the good quality labs and the collection facilities to the people at the comfort of their home.
Right from procurement of sample to its analysis, our facility is equipped by state-of-the-art machines handled by trained technicians and trained doctors to bring out highest level of test results in the industry.
We perform the entire spectrum of testing from routine to more specialized assays like flow cytometry, immunohistochemistry, immunofluorescence, newborn screening, maternal markers, and protein electrophoresis.
We perform periodic audits, random checks and quality checks on all our labs as well as our wide network of collection centers.
Redcliffe Labs is NABL accredited. Our quality policies are in accordance with the international standard ISO 15189. Internal quality control and proficiency testing results are reviewed before finalization of every test report.
By combining the equipment with advanced software, Redcliffe Labs has in place a very high level of software automation and has thus pushed pathology services in India to a new level.
India suffers from a very serious burden of genetic diseases. Every year, over 10 lakh children are born with congenital malformations. But still, we don't have much of specialized genetic testing happening in our country. There is lack of awareness and lack of availability. Redcliffe has built a state-of-the-art laboratory here in Noida, which has tech and infra right from the basic PCR and molecular testing all the way to the world's most advanced next-generation sequencing equipment. We have the largest and the most advanced lab in all of North and East India, and we hope to cover and service Bharat's specialized testing requirements from here. At Redcliffe, we have launched a first-of-its-kind platform. It's called Genie. Genie is a platform that provides access to genetic information, genetic testing, genetic consultation, geneticists, genetic counseling and testing, all at the click of a button.
Redcliffe Labs is a holistic service platform where we are here for serving all the diagnostic need, wellness or illness, right from glucose to genetics. We offer conclusive diagnosis to patient sample under one roof. Redcliffe Labs is working 24/7, 365 days. There's a whole large ecosystem which has been developed right from the call center where a patient can book their test simply by calling or by going to our website or maybe a mobile app or maybe visiting a physical collection center.
We have the requisite infrastructure to handle a huge load of samples through a very robust IT system and efficient logistic support. Our backbone software encompasses a range of integrated solutions which have been designed from ground up.
So I in-house team of 1,000 plus phlebotomists and ground force traveling more than 1 lakh kilometers every day, ensuring minimum transit time of your test samples. So technology we have integrated to a very great extent, which has reduced the turnaround time from more than 2 to 3 days to as low as 12 hours.
Impeccable customer service is not just a slogan at Redcliffe Labs. It is a way of life for each member of the team.
So the vision is to test 500 million people by 2027. Practically we are talking about 1/3 of the country's population to get themselves tested. It's high time people should start taking care of their own health. This is a learning which we all should take it forward from here.
Our motto is to do the right thing right, first time and every time.
By making quality diagnostics affordable and accessible to the patients, this is what we do and this is what Redcliffe Labs is all about.
Redcliffe Labs, Healthy India ki trusted lab.